So here we are back in the kitchen with the college girls, and they're moving on to their next step, which is
scrambled eggs and avocado toast.
So I'm going to let them take you through their steps for their at-home breakfast.
Okay, so we'll start by cracking the eggs. For me and Maggie, we'll usually use 2 or 3 or 4. You know, depends. No, just put those there. Sometimes I'll get shells in there on accident, but it's okay. You scoop them out, right? Yeah. Just happy mistakes.
And we like to add a little milk to our scrambled eggs. It makes them fluffier, which is nice. Do you want more than that?
A little secret trick Carl taught us.
Oh yeah.
You know, when you have like the dry scrambled eggs, that doesn't happen here.
Nope, anytime we're making scrambled eggs at home, Carl makes sure to take over, so that's why we like to wait until we're sure our parents are gone.
Make our own
and like
breakfast.
they've really left, like they're not gonna come back for anything, so you know, we just strategically lie in bed until we're sure that they're actually gone.
Okay, so after beating the eggs, you want to turn your stove on to low heat. Never high heat, apparently. That's what people are telling me. And then you want to use some fat to grease the pan. I like to use olive oil when you're trapped inside and you can't burn off the butter you could also use, so
You
yeah.
could probably turn it a little bit higher heat.
Well, someone said low.
Well, you don't want it on like super high or else the eggs will not be soft and fluffy, but it can also peel your non-stick pan.
Wow.
Yeah.
You learn something new even when you're not at school. So then you can just pour your eggs in. Maggie, my sidekick, likes to make the English muffins with some avocado. So she can do that while the eggs cook. You just want to periodically stir the eggs around. And the length of time can vary if you like your eggs wet, if you know what I mean, or dry. Yes.
But if you keep moving eggs the whole time, they turn out better-ish.
Just keep the eggs moving. Thank you, Maggie.
They're like fluffier and they don't get that weird like, I don't know, we've all had bad like hotel scrambled eggs. They don't turn out like that. So,
It's like egg soup.
eggs. So, English muffins, a nice trick my roommate at school taught me was that if they're like kind of have those holes, you know, and if you poke it with a fork all the way around, it just breaks right in half, because I always rip mine super funny, and then you have weirdly sized tops and bottoms to your English muffin.
Remember to wash your hands before you stick your hands all over them.
So here we go. A nicely split English muffin. And then we just pop them in the toaster. Ebbie prefers her toast warmed, just slightly. So she likes to keep the toaster on like 0, as small as possible is how she likes hers toasted, but most people like a little bit more of a crunchy browned toast. So
Carl likes them burnt brown.
black. If you ever burn anything in the toaster, just give it to Carl, he'll enjoy
like
it.
Either he'll burn yours too and say it's better that way. These eggs are just taking their sweet time.
All right, so we like a little avocado on our toast with our eggs, and so just split it in half, and then to get the pit out, you just that's usually not how it
Maggie's
goes.
party trick.
You can slice it,
Dice it.
do all kinds of things.
In whatever design you want.
Do you want it smushed or do you want slices?
Smush.
Alright, so even when you're just gonna smush it, I like to cut it up because then it's easier to smush on your toast if you don't want to put it in a bowl first. Abby and I work on the minimal dish cleanup, meal prep.
Then you don't fill up the dishwasher and then you don't have to empty it later that day. We've learned a few things.
Yeah, you can just scoop it out and put it on your English muffin.
Alright, now the eggs are done. Yay! So then,
So she's not gonna do that.
so I'm gonna say I tried.
Your presentation is so great.
It's award-winning. And I just gave her some eggs on the side in case she changes her mind. And then I like mine on the side. Maggie didn't make me an English muffin with avocado. But I made her the eggs, which is quite rude.
We like to add a little pepper and salt. Do you want some salt?
Yeah. And then hot sauce is an essential. I'm a big sriracha fan. I think it goes on everything except Mexican food maybe, but it's eggs. So.
Oh, that was a lot.
So then, yum.
I usually like Cholula on my eggs, but we don't have any of that here right now, so I'm gonna use some of the K-Mama sauce. This one's kind of spicy.
Quite different considering Cholula is.
Yeah, but I like this one too.
Okay, girls.
Thanks for the
Looks
avocado.
delicious. And thanks for showing us how to make some breakfast this morning.
You're so welcome, Marie.
Thank you.
No problem.
I know you will learn a lot from this tutorial.
This is our routine when you've left the house.
I learned a lot today. So thanks everybody, and watch for more videos from the college kids.